How you guys doing? Another package, mail from Anthony Hockey 1014. Shout out. That's the plug. Just got that eating. Just thought I'd try something new, you know? Post something. So, here we go. Package good all the time. Let's start with some baseball. I need to see what's in my vaccine. Shit, it's all dirty. Oh, into football real quick. Huge Raider fan. Just so you guys know, die-hard Raiders. So yeah. Watched him play many games. Saw him catch his 1,000th catch. Everything. Or 2,000 or something like that. Tim Brown. Pretty massive card. Very nice card. All these cards are freaking fantastic if you ask me. Legend right there. San Francisco Legend. Tell you the truth, I think anybody who plays sports is a legend if you make it to the big leagues. Just the amount of work and effort and time that they put into the sport is just incredible, if you ask me. I only played football and baseball up until high school, and yep, after that I was done. Went to Deer Valley High School, graduated, class of 07. Played football, of course, all 3 years until I hurt myself. And unfortunately, after I hurt myself, I just focused on graduating. And had a couple, I think, Sterling Moore and Taiwan Jones. They both started their careers on the Raiders, and I believe Sterling Moore got drafted the year he got traded to the Raiders, or he got drafted to the Raiders. Then they traded him or something like that, or he was on the practice squad. Patriots picked him up, or Giants picked him up, one of the two. I don't know where he went first, but played football with him and played football with Taiwan Jones as well, which was a running back for the Raiders for a few years. Was it back to the cards? Enough little chat about that. But yeah, look them up, Taiwan Jones and Sterling Moore. And like I said, these are just cards that I picked up because I like them. Gonna collect them, give them to my kids when they get older. They will know about everything that happened. They could choose to like cards or not. I personally like them for the fact that, oh, that was that first bunch. I like them especially because when I was growing up, that was really one of our only forms of keeping track of our favorite players. You know, like there wasn't no social media. You couldn't just Google anything, and yeah. So cards was really what is the way I was able to talk baseball with other people and other kids. Alright, let's see. Let's see the next one. Open this bad boy up. And if anybody is ever interested in any of these cards, I will never be selling my cards, but I believe it's Anthony Hockey at 1014. If I knew how to leave his link in the description or something, I would, but if not, just comment me his name if you're really interested, and I could send it to you guys, because he's always looking to sell his cards so he can get new ones in. You know, he is a card collector, but he's also someone that's willing to help out somebody else with their card collecting, which I think is very, very nice, and very nice of him, and very cool. So yeah. And if you guys like the car video, just let me know, and we can do more of them. Personally, I think this is the only way I'll be able to make videos, because the house is crazy when I go inside. It's yeah, it's just crazy. We'll just say that. And some of these cards I did get, you know, for family members and friends as well. And if you see a team that is not a California team, I may be open to trade, but that's about it. Whew, Brett Favre, I've watched this guy. I watched him come and go. I don't know if I watched him come, but I watched him play a lot. Same with Peyton Manning as well, and you know, the greats that came and gone. And that's why I collect their cards as well, because they, in my book, are already in the Hall of Fame. And, you know, just me being an athlete in general, some of these players, you know, I just give them the respect because of the effort and the heart that they got for the game. Marcus Allen. And one of the reasons why I don't want to say all their names, and the reason why I don't read off all the names, is because, one, I don't want to mispronounce something. Two, this shit will just go on forever, and yeah, I ain't trying to be here all day reading names and explaining. And then once I read something, I'm going to want to talk about the person. So, just like Emmitt Smith, who I watched run all over everybody growing up here in Stockton. Yeah, Stockton Kings. Yeah, I watched a lot of Cowboy games against the Niners growing up. And the Raiders, of course, but I think we only play them in like preseason, I guess, or something like that. Man, what a guy right here, Derek Carr. Another guy, Cooper, traded his ass to the Cowboys. This man, see, yeah, and a lot of my Rams cards are for my uncle, because he's been a Ram fan since I could remember, and I remember when we were younger, I was helping my grandma clean out her garage, and my uncle, that was his mom, had his dresser in the garage, and she wanted me to throw it and take it to the dumps. and he had all his cards, some fireworks, and magazines or whatever in there. And you know, of course, I wanted to take all the cards or whatever, but it was just so much in these drawers and so unorganized. And my family, yeah, we just ended up throwing them, taking them to the dumps. And I mean, a lot of cards went to the dumps, unfortunately, out here. It's not that big out here anymore in Stockton, so I mean, you can go to Walmart, you go to A&E's, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and walk right into their, I mean, they got those, wait, let me see. I know I got a couple, trust me. Couple of these things, because they're always stocked. They, the 1 in 4, I don't know, I bought 8 of them at a time and opened all 8, and only 1 autograph, bunch of rookie cards, bunch of older cards. You know, it's a good starter thing to get into. Almost threw all those out, but yeah. See, so that and the Walmarts, they always got them. They're not popular out here, I might as well say. So, but who knows? Very nice Cal card. You best believe it. Rookie force, huh? Yeah, that's a good one. Jersey worn. Yeah, you could tell that Nike jersey. It's, yeah. Very awesome card right there. Very cool. A numbered card. 46 out of 50. Cook, baby. Alright. Alright, you guys. That'll be it for this one. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments. Got any questions or anything, or any ideas? Shout out to the card crew out there. You guys are the reasons why I started collecting. About recollecting again, I guess. Thank you guys, and have a good one.